In the Food Show web app, log in with the login credentials that were provided to you. Once in the home page, select Vendor Booking from the side menu. In the booking area, you will initially see data about products you have in the show, some data about those products, and how much in cases and dollars that have been booked so far. To add items to a customer booking, you will need the account number, which should be displayed on the customer name tag. With an account selected, you will be brought to the Edit view. In the Edit list, you can filter the items to find what you are looking for. You can filter by number, by description, by rep quantity, as well as by booked status. Using the quantity input, you can edit the quantity you would like to suggest for the booking. When we edited the previous item, it was automatically accepted. For this next item, the rep has already entered a quantity. So when we edit our suggested quantity, it will go to pending instead of accepted. This means the sales rep will need to review this quantity before it gets accepted into the booking. After the sales rep does their review, quantities will be either denied or accepted. This one has been denied, and the quantity in the rep column is still set to 1. This one has been accepted, and we can see the rep quantity now reflects the value that we updated. Once we are done with the current customer, we can hit the back button to return to our report data and enter a new customer number. This takes us to the Edit view once more, where we can make edits for the newly selected customer. Repeat this process to move back and forth and switch between customer bookings.